Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 238, that is product of array except self, and in this we'll be given an integer array nums, and we have to return an answer array such that answer I is equal to the product of all elements of nums except the nums I, and we need the product of prefix sum or suffix sum of nums. The product of any prefix or sum is granted to fit in 32-bit integer, and we don't have to use the divide operator, that is the constraint which we are, let's say we are having. So for example in this, and okay, so let's have a look at the first test case. That is, in this we are having 1, 2 and 3 and 4 are the nums, and we have to return 24 instead of 1 because 4 into 3 into 2 will be giving me 24. Next we are having up is 2, so we need to multiply 4, 3 and 1, that will be give me 12, that will be giving me 12. And then we are having 3, so we'll be having 1, 2 and 4, that will product me to 8. And for the last we are having 4, so instead of 4 we need to multiply this 1, 2 and 3, this will be giving me 6. So this is the result array. Okay, so for example let's say we can assume that we are having a 1 in the index -1 and a 1 at the index n+1. So we'll be having a prefix product array in which we'll be storing the answer, let's say you can say, and we'll be updating that only. Okay, so let's have a new array, that is prefix product, that will be equal to the size of length of the nums dot length, and let's say okay, gth, and let's have prefix product, and the 0th position we'll be filling it with 1. Okay, because as I already said, let's assume we are having a 1 at the -1 index. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be traversing in the nums array I equal to 1, I less than the nums dot length, nums dot nums dot length, and then I plus plus. So what we'll be doing is we'll be updating the prefix product of I. Prefix product I will be equal to the prefix product I -1 into nums I -1, I -1 into nums I -1. And now what we'll be doing is, by now we have created the prefix product array which will be having the values as 1 and then again 1, then a 2, then 6, and we know we have to store 6 at the last position only. And I'll just show you how this looks. System.println arrays dot to string the array, yeah, and let's just return a new empty int. Okay, and let's have a look how this prefix product array is looking like. Okay, so it says cannot find product. Okay. Okay, and we are having 1, 1 and 2, 6, that, and my as a now my 6 is at the correct position which I want. Now I'll be updating this prefix product array only, and as I said, we'll be assuming that we are having a 1 also at the end of the like n+1 at the index. So let's have a variable that is suffix product, and we'll be initializing it with 1. Now we'll be traversing the array backwards, that for int I equal to nums dot length -1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. What I'll be doing is now I'll be updating my prefix product array with prefix okay, product of I will be multiplied by the suffix product. Okay, suffix product, and now I'll be updating my suffix product as suffix product into nums of I. Okay, so in this way I didn't use the suffix like the number present at the nums I, and but I'll still calculate the product, and at the end I'll be just returning the prefix product. Now let's run it. Suffix product cannot be find product. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's just delete this line and let's submit it. And it gets accepted. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.